So in this video we will discuss about the antibody, but antibody, this is the video of antibody part 2. As you guys all know, we have discussed the detailed lecture of the antibody. So in this video I just tell you guys about the bond of the antibody. Okay, so as you guys all know, the structure of the antibody is this. Okay, we are having the constant and variable regions. Okay, and this we are having that what we are having the 2H2L2, which means 2 heavy chain and 1 2 and 2 light chain. Okay, here between that we are having the sulfur bond, we are calling as a disulfur bond. Okay, one bond. Here also we are having SS disulfur bond. Okay, second, and here also we are having 1 and 2, which means 2 disulfur bond. How much? 1 2 1 2 3 4, which means 4 disulfur bond. Okay, between the two different chains. Okay, the two chain combine between the two chain. Okay, so if we talk about the disulfur bond, that is present in only the constant region. As you guys all know, this is the constant region, this is the variable region, constant variable, constant variable. So this disulfur bond is present in the constant region between the lighter and the heavy chain. Okay, so we are having what if all here we are having also the constant part. Okay, which means that there are also the two disulfur bond in the two long chain but different long chain at the constant region. Okay, I think it's all know that we are what I'm talking about, the regions and these all. Okay, and also I want to tell you guys is that we are having also the sulfur loop. What is sulfur loop? First of all, let me discuss. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. How many? 8. Okay, 1 2 1 2 12. Okay, now what is this? So 2 in light chain, here also 2 in light chain, which means 4 in light chain and 8 in what? Heavy chain. Okay, 4 at the left, 1 2 3 4, and 4 at the right. Okay, total 12 sulfur bond. What are sulfur? Not these are not sulfur bond. These are the sulfur loop. What is sulfur loop? Which means the loop on the same chain, or this at the same space. Okay, on the same chain, like 2 sulfur bond, 2 sulfur loop in light chain on the same chain, 2 sulfur chain, or look at 2 sulfur loop on the same chain. Here you can see that 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, these are what? At the same chain. So that is called the sulfur loop chain. So this here we are having the 4 disulfur bond, and in the antibody structure we are also having the 12 sulfur loop. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about you can see the types of vaccine and the antibodies, the common antibodies.